I'm falling apart and you'll never know. It's all I think of when I'm alone. And if I'm free, why do I feel so bound to you? Bound to you, no. If I'm broken hearted, and when you push me too far, why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me? I thought that by now you would have said something. I kinda thought you would. All this time I stood there thinking that you would see the way I'm feeling. But now I'm lost and overthinking. It's all I ever do. Bound to you, no. Bound to you, no. Why can't you fix me? I want you so bad it hurts. And if you love me, I swear I'd be the right one. It's so complicated. I feel like I am fading away from you. And I've fallen down this hole before. I'm broken and bruised, can't fight you anymore. Why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me? If and when you push me too far, why can't you fix me? You said this would be the last time, so why'd you tell me all those white lies? You told me all the time. There's just something in the way that you look in my eyes. I just can't turn away. The look on your face is making me stay. Don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you changed, at least that's what you said. trapped inside your cage, and you threw a key away, and there's just no escape. That's what you're telling me. That's what you're telling me. So don't call me up, don't ask to stay, but even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. So that you change, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, ooh. Messing with my head. You said you never lied to me, telling me that you cared, but now the truth is plain to see. You never cared about me.
Okay, but like seriously, what does she have that I don't?
Don't call me up, don't ask to stay, but even if I ask you, you'll do it anyway. Told me that you changed, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, ooh. Messing with my head. You're my favorite person, and that's why I love you. You're my favorite person, yeah. Always thinking of you. And I want you to see who I am, and I can I stay?